Okay, for this question, they want us to find the area and the perimeter. So we can match things up. So this dashed line is 7.6, right? Because it's a rectangle. And the top is 21.25, right? So we're missing this hypotenuse to the triangle, right? So the hypotenuse, this is a right triangle. So it's 7.6 squared plus 10 squared equals that hypotenuse squared, right? So 7.6 squared is 57.76 plus 100 equals h squared. So 157.76 equals h squared. So that hypotenuse comes out to be the square root of 157.76. Now, if we change that into a decimal, you'll clearly get a different answer, right? Because it'll be in decimal form, but it'll also be an approximation. So 157.76. So the perimeter, let's start with the perimeter. The perimeter is, I'll start at the bottom and go counterclockwise. 10 plus 21.25 plus 7.6 plus 21.25 plus root 157.76. So this comes out to 60.1 plus 157.76. So this is the perimeter as an exact answer. If we were going to approximate, right, and take that, we would get 60.1 plus 12.56, right, if I round off to the nearest hundredth, right? And 12.56 plus 60.1 is 72.66. So it comes out to 72.66, what is this, meters, if you're going to approximate. So I would say if the instructions say to round, then you would give it in this format. If the instructions don't make any reference, you would be forced to leave it in this format, right? Okay, now we have to, let me erase this over here because we found the perimeter, right? Now we have to find the area. So the area is composed of the rectangle, right? There's the area of the rectangle, plus the area of the triangle, right? So the rectangle is 21.25, 21.25 times 7.6, right? Length times width. The area of the triangle is 1/2 the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 7.6. And if we type this into our calculator, we get, let's see, 161.5 plus, what's that, 5 times 7.6, 5 times 7.6, 38, which comes out to 199, right? This is the area, equals 199.5 meters squared, right? We summed the triangle and the rectangle.